Pan American Highway, we hit the road. Today we came to Panama!
Deep within the rainforests of Panama lives the Emberá tribe. They coexist with nature. Today I'm stepping into their world to explore the ancient civilization hidden within the rainforest. As soon as we arrived at the tribe, they warmly welcomed us with their local dishes. The uniquely shaped handicrafts showcase the tribe's cultural charm.
Ave nacional de Panamá. Entonces, esto, como el águila arpía, es muy importante para nosotros.
The totems painted on the tribe members deeply fascinated me. I also had a unique mark painted on myself, as if resonating with their culture.
I believe the meaning of travel lies not only in arriving but in encountering different lives.